Okay guys, so in today's video I am going to be cleaning that engine bay because it is dirty and I think it's meant to be raining for the rest of the week, so better get filming this. Let's pop that engine bay and get to work. And the engine bay is going to go from this to this. So as you guys can see, this engine bay is covered in cake tongue, grime and just overall dirt, so let's give it a clean. Now, as you guys can see, there's lots of cake tongue grime in it. I don't know when the last time this engine bay was cleaned. Then I started on the underneath of the bonnet, and even that was disgusting. Then I had to clean these bottles. The dirt on these was so bad and like so thick. So like my brush just got absolutely killed by this. So I might just chuck it in the bin. Then once everyone had been cleaned, it was time for some bumper and trim shine. So let's make everyone shiny. Now this engine bay is starting to look a whole lot better with the shiny trim. So that's the engine bay detail done on my Ford Ka. What a difference from what it was like at the start, but there's still bits of dirt and stuff that we didn't get to. But ultimately this thing's going to become a stock car anyway, and then probably just end up in a scrapyard, so I'd say it's pretty good. Now guys, I do want to stress that if this was a customer's vehicle, I would have went about this job so much differently. I would have spent twice the amount of time on the engine bay and it would have been a different outcome. I know, because there was still bits of dirt, as you can see, and yeah, it just would have been different if this was a customer's car. I just didn't take as much time on the engine bay here because this car's just going to become a stock car anyway, so there's not much point putting like my products into the engine bay. So guys, that is the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for 584 subscribers. We're getting to 600, we're getting close, but thank you. Now if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Please subscribe if you're new and you just found my channel, and please subscribe if you're just watching my videos and you're not subscribed. If you guys do want to see a proper interior valet, please tell me in the comments down below, because this thing is disgusting. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.